One major benefit of using Salesforce is that your business has one location to store and retrieve client, product, support, and customized application data. Businesses can offer a high level of service and support by allowing their customers to access a limited amount of this information on the web. This enables customers to resolve their own issues or retrieve information. The tools that Salesforce provides for this are the Self-Service Portal, Customer Portal, and Sites. The Self-Service Portal allows customers to create and research issues that they're having with your product or service. Salesforce calls these cases, and answers for those cases are called solutions. The Customer Portal allows customers to have even deeper access and more functionality to cases and solutions, as well as other standard Salesforce tabs. It also enables access to data and functionality that's custom built for your business. Sites technology allows you to build a website that's completely branded and consistent with your company's website. It allows you to expose information stored in your company's Salesforce to the general public, such as product listings and part numbers. It can also permit public website visitors to search for data stored in Salesforce, such as products, store locations, job openings, and more. Sites can be used to create records in your Salesforce by allowing website visitors to submit information that's recorded directly into Salesforce. Sites provides limited access to standard tabs in Salesforce and has full access to custom tabs. Let's take a look at an example of Self-Service Portal. The interface for Self-Service Portal is built using a standard template provided by Salesforce. You have the ability to create a limited amount of branding by changing colors, fonts, and graphics. Customers must log into the Self-Service Portal with a username and password in order to access their specific information. Once logged in, they can see a page that gives them options to find solutions to an issue that they're experiencing. If they can't find a solution, they can create a new case or view existing cases. If they find a case that addresses their current need, they can drill down and see information about that case, including description, when it was opened, if it's closed, and other details. Now let's take a look at an example of Customer Portal. Just like the interface for the Self-Service Portal, the Customer Portal is built using a standard template provided by Salesforce. Also, just like the Self-Service Portal, customers must log in securely using a username and a password. Right away, you can see the interface for the Customer Portal resembles the Salesforce interface. Like the Self-Service Portal, you can make limited changes to the appearance of the template for the Customer Portal. The Customer Portal has a lot more functionality than the Self-Service Portal. For example, your customers can perform advanced searches, create different kinds of records, and navigate across the different tabs at the top. You can also add other standard Salesforce tabs, including articles, ideas, service contracts, and more. And if you build custom application functionality into your Salesforce, you can add those tabs as well. In fact, some businesses use the Customer Portal for functionality completely unrelated to cases and solutions. Examples are employment applications that use workflow to automatically route the application to the correct hiring manager, submitting and updating research grant proposals, and extending specific reporting that draws data from other tabs in Salesforce. Now let's take a look at Salesforce Sites. Starbucks built their volunteer page in Sites and delivers custom data that's stored in Salesforce. You can see that this Sites page is fully branded with graphics, logos, colors, and links to other content. Now take a look at the search boxes. This allows general public website users to search through volunteer opportunities stored in Salesforce to find one in their area that matches their interests. Users can type in a zip code and a keyword search, such as the name of an organization they would like to support. Salesforce, through Sites, provides a listing of results that match the user's search criteria. It's important to note that the user never logged in with a username or password. That means they're accessing general information and not business data related to their specific account. We saw that the Customer Portal requires a user to log in securely with a username and password, and that they can only see information relating to their account. It also has a high level of functionality. The interface, however, has limited flexibility in its look and feel. In contrast, Sites allows any user on the web to access general information. However, a web page developed in Sites can be a fully branded, beautiful web page. You can use both technologies together to create an experience with all the security and functionality of the Customer Portal and all the branding of a Sites page. Let's take a look at an example. Dell built its customer service page using Sites and the customer portal. Users log in with username and password, and here you can see that even the login screen is fully branded to match the rest of Dell's website. Once logged in, you can see that the portal pages are unique for each user. Users can perform searches for cases, solutions, access documents, and more. The site even knows the exact model of the notebook computer purchased and can display the serial number, technical, and warranty information about this customer's specific unit. This is a great example of the rich information and functionality of Customer Portal combined with the powerful design capabilities of Sites. Summing things up, the self-service portal is used for cases and solutions. It uses a template interface and it's free with certain editions of Salesforce. Customer Portal starts with cases and solutions and has a template interface just like the self-service portal, but it goes much farther by providing access to other tabs, custom application builds, and has different price levels for different requirements. Sites technology is used to provide a fully branded experience, and the interface must be built from the ground up. It has limited access to standard Salesforce tabs and full access to custom tabs. It's important to note that Sites alone will not authenticate users to access data in their own account. However, it can be used in conjunction with Salesforce portals to provide both authentication and full branding. Sites also comes in different pricing levels depending on requirements. This information is provided by CRM Cheat Sheet, an NPO production. NPO is a Salesforce.com certified consulting partner. For more CRM Cheat Sheet videos, go to crmcheatsheet.com. For more information about the Salesforce consulting services provided by NPO, look us up at npo.com.